Hi everyone, here I've got MEIZU 16th and let me show you how to change language on the following device. So first of all, let's open the settings, then let's scroll down and choose language and time. And as you can see, you can change the language and region. Let's choose the language. And now we've got the English, but here you've got the full list of available languages. So let's click on Simplified Chinese. And from now on, the whole menu will be in the Chinese. So let's click OK, let's switch to English. Let's get back. Too much. Let's get back and you can choose another region, for example, Denmark. And it has been changed, as you can see. And that's actually all. This is how you change the language in your MEIZU 16th. And if you find this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.